Hey, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today I want to put the question, and that is the uplisting the only thing that matters when it comes to this stock in this company? Today we're trading 75.61% year to date down, which is not unique in the market. However, I think Tenet's situation is a little bit unique in that I feel as though most of the investor base at this point doesn't actually care too much about anything the company does or much is going to happen, as long as the uplist doesn't happen, or as we're not on either the TSX or the NASDAQ, we're going to continue to trend and kind of stay at these suppressed levels. So I want to show you guys something that I noticed from some videos that I've been doing and what's been going on here. But I think my recommendation right now is if you are investing in the company, or you're thinking about investing in the company, try to put the uplisting out of your mind and focus on what's going on. Obviously, I don't recommend buying more or holding what you have or selling what you have to do other things. This is just kind of a thought, and I definitely want people to comment below and let me know what you're thinking. And is the uplist the only thing that matters to you, or is the fundamentals of the company the thing that matters to you, and what your optimism levels are for the company in the future, and if that revolves solely around uplisting on the exchanges, or whether you think that Tenet could perform well for the rest of the year based off of the catalysts that we have coming up and fundamentals of the company only. As far as catalysts coming up goes, we've got some pretty good things coming down the pipeline. We've got Q2, which is we're going to get by the end of August. We've got 618. They're going to report on that. We might see something this week or next week, so that's pretty close. That last year was an extremely bullish catalyst for the company going forward, and we might even see something from the CEEC soon. So again, like clean tech sector is something I'm really personally excited about, and I think it's something that the market and anyone invested should be super excited about. So I want to show you guys some analytics from a couple of videos. So this one here is the only video I've ever done where I've mentioned uplist or anything like that in the title. And as you can see, 2.1K views here, 2,000 more than usual. The watch time was way up just based on total views overall. However, when you look, the average view duration is 1 minute 32 seconds, 7.4%, because the total video was like 20 minutes long. Like it wasn't a banger of a video. It wasn't super exciting. It was just me going through the AIF form, right? Something that needed to get updated if they want to get on the TSX. But people really responded to it in the fact that they're so excited and they're so interested to get the uplisting done that as soon as they realized, I was like, oh, okay, like this isn't actually happening, that they definitely dropped off, right? But there's the total amount of clicks and total amount of people that were interested in this was really astounding to me, right? Like I'm going to go and show you one of my other videos, but we're basically at like a 10% of the Tenet investor base cares about a regular news video, and you've got the other 90% care about uplisting and the TSX. So this is just the last news video I did. There's only 258 views total, watch time 26.7 hours. So it's like you've got 10% of the views, but you got at least half the watch time because people actually stuck around, research the news. And this would probably be the more I say the dieharders of the Tenet investor base, right? They're actually really interested in what the company's doing, and they're really excited for what's happening. And just the contrast was really surprising, and how I'm surprised that this video on its own has done. And the only thing I contribute to, because like the video wasn't amazing or anything, was just based on the amount of traction it gained and then the algo picking it up and recommending it to people purely based on the clicks from seeing this TSX uplist in the title. So anyways, we have been in this like really negative sentiment of the company, this really downtrending year to date, especially if you go 1 year out, where we on this chart here it's showing an all-time high of 1402, and now we're down at 160. Just the valuation alone, you have to go back. You're in October of 2020. So I mean, at the time this was pre-split, so I mean you were buying shares for 8 cents, right? So totally different time. So my question is for anyone watching this: is the uplisting the only thing that matters, or are the fundamentals of the company truly important here? Because once the uplisting does happen, I mean, a lot of people are probably going to bet and maybe even do some short-term trading on the fact that it's going to send the share price higher. So the day they announce either in a news release that they've submitted an application to uplist on the TSX, or they decide not to issue a press release for that and they just wait till they're actually on it and they say, hey, we're going to be actively trading as of this date. And then, we'll see what happens from there. But yeah, just something I want to show you guys from my own videos and just, from the negative price action. Like, doesn't matter. It seems like what kind of news release that comes out. I don't feel like they're going to get much traction. I'm hoping that's not going to be a case when they come out with the 618 performance. I think it's something that's going to be pretty strong, and hoping for some positive movement after that, and maybe some excitement leading up to Q2 here. So maybe by the time we get to July and next week, we'll start to trend in the right direction as the market gets a little more excited and a little more anticipatory of some good things coming down the line. So anyways, thanks for listening, guys. Hopefully we get some news of some kind this week, and have a good night.